All right, let's talk about automatic mode and manual mode and the different settings and how they apply to your camera. Of course, in automatic mode, the chips inside your JVC camera are deciding what's best for your shot. But in manual mode, you are in control. You can choose and adjust the settings to fit what you think looks best for your shot. Now, there's different indicators for manual and automatic mode, so let's have a look. All right, down here in the bottom corner of your screen, you'll notice all these little A's. That stands for automatic. We've got autofocus, we have automatic exposure compensation, we have auto gain, we have auto iris, that's your f-stop, and then we have auto shutter speed and auto white balance. Let's start with autofocus. Autofocus is easy. Here's the switch on the side of your camera. You got auto at the top and manual there in the middle. And as we have a look at the screen, the AF is turned into MF, as in manual focus. And that's right next to our focal length, which is 5.5 meters over here on the edge of the LCD screen. Iris. This is how you turn off your auto iris. If we punch up this button, you will notice the little A is gone next to your f-stop. But we still have the AE over here for automatic exposure compensation. That's because we have other things regulating light into the shot. So next, let's go to gain. This is your gain section over here. This round button under the word gain turns on and off automatic gain. There, we've turned it off. And now these switches below, low, medium, and high, will control your gain. And as we look at the LCD screen, you have no A here next to your gain. You just have 0 dB, that's 0 decibels of gain, with no A for automatic. We still have the AE over here for automatic exposure compensation, and that's because we have more things regulating light into the camera. So what's left? That would be your shutter speed. And as we can see, it's 1/60 with the A for automatic. Let's check it out. Over here, shutter, this round button under the word shutter. Pushing that button turns on and off the automatic shutter speed. If we turn it off, now we can use these controls to control your shutter speed. If you push the play and pause button, that turns your shutter speed on and off, and then reverse and forward, raise and lower the shutter speed, respectively. And as we look at the LCD screen, the little A for automatic is gone, but the shutter speed ratio altogether is gone. That's because when I disabled the automatic, it turned the shutter speed off, but as I turn it on, you see a super quick shutter speed. But as I lower the shutter speed, you will see the shot becomes brighter. We will bring it down to 1/60, and we're good. But we still have automatic white balance. FAW stands for full automatic white balance. So let's turn that off. Down here with the other buttons, you see white balance, and you see a little round button below it. And then below there, we have some preset switches. We have a B, A, and then preset. You can zoom in on something white, push this round button off here to the side, and that will give you a color temperature that matches your shot. You can do that for B, for A, and then in preset, you actually have 2 different color temperatures you can cycle between by pushing the round button to the right of the word preset. So all in all, you have 4 different color temperatures that you can keep loaded up in your camera. And with auto white balance off, you can see the little A is gone, but now we have a B. That's because we are in the B setting of your white balance settings. Remember, we have B, A, and then the 2 presets. We are at 3200 Kelvin with setting B, and that's a good indoor color temperature with incandescent lighting. And here with this wide shot of the LCD screen, you see all the little A's gone. Everything is now set to manual. Now you are in full control of your camera. You can make the shot look its best. You don't have to rely on some little chip made by JVC that thinks it knows better than you.